Today, we're going to embark on an exciting artistic journey as we learn how to draw and color a magnificent whale. Begin by drawing two curved lines extending outwards, forming a V shape. These lines should be slightly curved and taper towards the ends to create the whale's tail or fluke. Now draw a long horizontal line for body. This will be the main body of the whale. Make sure the body is horizontally elongated, resembling the shape of a submarine. Under the whale's body, closer to the tail, draw a small curved triangle. This is the fin, which helps in stabilizing the whale while swimming. Now draw some curved lines to add details to the shark body. Draw a small circle or oval near the front of the head for the whale's eye. Add some gentle curves along the body to represent the whale's skin folds and muscles. Draw a few lines within the tail to give it texture and depth. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Start by coloring the main body of the whale with a deep blue or gray color. Use smooth, even strokes to ensure an even base layer. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art tutorials. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you had as much fun drawing and coloring as we did. Stay creative and keep practicing. See you next time for another exciting drawing.